If you're looking to transfer photos from your Huawei phone to a new Samsung device, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be using a powerful PC tool, MobiKin Transfer for mobile. Follow me step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of MobiKin. On the website, locate and download the MobiKin Transfer for mobile software. Install and launch the MobiKin Transfer for mobile software, ensuring it's successfully installed on your PC. Connect your Huawei and Samsung phones to the PC using a data cable. Ensure a stable connection. In the MobiKin Transfer for mobile software, select the Photos option. After confirming you've selected all the photos you want to transfer, click the Start Copy button. Wait for a moment, and the transfer process will be displayed on the screen. That's it for the simple steps on how to transfer photos from a Huawei phone to a Samsung phone using MobiKin Transfer for mobile.